Alright, hey, so this is going to be a tutorial on a simple way to open up a Ballisong or butterfly knife. So this is just a cheap one from Chinatown. Anyway, what you have to do is you're going to hold it with the dull side of the blade facing your palm, the sharp side facing out, and you're mainly going to be holding the handle with the dull side handle. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to basically fling this handle all the way around until it hits the back of your hand. So it's going to be that. And then you're going to 180 the blade like that. Then the dull side is right here. And flip it against the back of your palm. Like that. Then one last one's going to bring this all the way over that, and you catch it, and it's up. And then to close it, it's the same idea. So you go back with the dull side hitting the back of your hand, 180, handle hitting the back of your hand, and then catch. Okay. Then the whole move basically looks like this: open, close, open, close,